We're currently at Sunrise Diamond Beach Resort in Sharm El Sheikh, and we have upgraded ourselves to a swim up deluxe sea view room. I'm about to show you what this room has to offer and whether I think you should book it or not. If you're new to this channel, there is other videos of this resort on my channel, including different room types and a walkthrough of what the resort has to offer. Any questions, put them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Okay, let's start with the bathroom. A nice, spacious, simple bathroom with an amazing shower. You've got a phone next to the toilet in case you need to make a call or you want to order room service or anything like that. A bidet, if that's what it's called. We all know what that's used for. They also give you a set of scales, which I think is really good as well, if you are hitting the gym while you're away or you just want to keep an eye on your weight. Another thing I love about Sunrise Diamond Beach Resort is they give you robes. That one's been used, that's what it's used by us obviously. And nice little branded robes there. They're really good. They give you a towel to put on the floor when you come out of the shower, which is essential. Nice big sink, nice big mirror, and this shower is to die for. Love this rainfall head. I could spend hours and hours in here. And they also have a normal shower as well. And they give you shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. We always bring our own, but it is a nice touch and a little shelf there to put your stuff on. Same out here, you've got hand and body lotion and hand wash and a hairdryer for the girls watching or the lads with long hair. Moving on to the room, you've got a lovely big full length mirror there, loads and loads of wardrobe space, shelves, hanging space, an extra pillow down there, and they do give you quite a few hangers as well. I've been to a lot of hotels that don't give you many hangers and it's kind of annoying sometimes. Over in Shan's side, we've got the same going on, loads of shelf space, a few drawers in this one as well, and there is a safe which is free of charge. This room is much bigger than the other room that we was in. TV's the same size, the desk area is a little bit bigger, another mirror there. Amazing thing that they do all the time is keep you topped up with water. We have about 6 or 7 bottles of water in our room a day. They've got all the tea and coffee making facilities. We always bring our own tea bags because there's nothing like English tea. And then a huge bed. I know the part that you want to see is out there and we're going to get there, but the room is where you sleep and spend a lot of your time, so it's important that you've got a comfortable room. The cleaner has done a little towel display of a love heart with some petals on it, which I think is a really nice touch. And then you've got your normal seating area as well with your table. Another thing I love about Sunrise Diamond Beach Resort, they have a UK plug socket next to the bed. Let's go on to the fridge. I'll show you what the fridge has. They stock this fridge up daily. It is all inclusive. Whatever you're drinking, they're gonna replace. And you don't have to pay a penny. So yeah, amazing facilities. Honestly guys, I can't recommend this hotel enough. I haven't come to the end of the video yet, but if you are watching, click on my channel because there are videos of the whole hotel, the restaurants, the resort, a walkthrough, tips and tricks, all that kind of stuff. Really nice touch. Tidy up, it's nap time, and wash it up if you want your washing done. I just want to point out the aircon in this room. It's set to 20 degrees. Amazing aircon. I know 20 degrees seems hot when you're from England, but when it's 30 degrees out there, 20 degrees is nice and cool. So when you're coming from the pool or you're coming from lunch, your room's always nice and cold. Just a little tip as well, if you are coming to Egypt anytime soon, tip the room cleaners. It goes a long way with them. If you just leave, you could literally leave £1 or £1.50 on the side and they will go above and beyond for you. Tips are important in Egypt, but they're never ever asked for. Not here at Sunrise Diamond Beach anyway. But let's get to the part that you want to see, and that is the outside swim up pool. So this part of the video is actually what you're here for. How amazing is that? Your own personal swim up pool with a sea view and loads of space. Our sunbeds are over there because they're normally here, but you lose sun here at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we have this amazing space where we can move the sunbeds over here. The pool is probably about 5 foot deep. There's a lovely little seating area in the pool there with a table. And then that is the other side of the room. Absolutely amazing. Really, really comfortable sunbeds as well. Padded sunbeds, fresh towels every day. And that view is just amazing. Show you that one more time. You also get your own umbrella with the room. But yeah, absolutely amazing. Another cool thing about this room is you can just literally pop through this gap and that's where the bar is. Even though the bar's just there, there is a waiter that comes round to your pool. Hello sir, you okay? There is a waiter that comes round to your pool and asks you what you want to drink. Once again, tips are appreciated but not asked for. But if you tip that waiter just a little bit, he's going to keep coming all day bringing your drinks, and they remember what you drink as well. So sometimes he's just going to turn up and he's going to have the drink that you want there and ready. What an amazing room. What an amazing view at Sunrise Diamond Beach Resort. If you're new to this channel, click like, click subscribe and click on the channel, because there's another video of the Deluxe Sea View room that I was in last week before we upgraded to this one. There's a video on the whole resort, a walkthrough of it and what the resort offers. And then there's other videos in Egypt like Soho Square and videos from Hurghada as well. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer every single question that you have, and I'll see you again soon.